Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Lexus LX 570. Begin by lightly sketching the fundamental shapes that define the vehicle's robust form. Pay close attention to the overall length, width, and height to ensure accurate proportions from the start. Next, establish the main body lines and the placement of the wheel arches. This initial framework is crucial for building a realistic and well-balanced drawing of this impressive SUV. Now, let's move on to refining the exterior details of your Lexus LX 570. Carefully draw the windows, side mirrors, and door handles, ensuring they align with your initial sketches. The iconic spindle grille is a key feature, so take your time to capture its unique pattern and the intricate design of the headlights. Finally, focus on the wheels and tires, adding depth and realism by detailing the spokes and tire treads. To bring your drawing to life, it's time to add depth and dimension through shading. Use a range of pencil pressures to create shadows and highlights, defining the contours of the Lexus LX 570 body. Think about the different textures, such as the smooth paint versus the rugged tires, and adjust your shading accordingly. Don't forget to emphasize reflective surfaces like the chrome accents and glass, making them truly shine. For the final touches, step back and review your entire drawing of the Lexus LX 570. Check for any areas that need further refinement or correction, ensuring consistency throughout. Carefully erase any remaining construction lines or smudges to present a clean and polished artwork. Consider adding subtle background elements, like a horizon line or a hint of scenery, to give your drawing a complete and engaging presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.